Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate using Robinhood crypto security settings step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Scroll down to find the settings option. Select settings to access your account preferences. Within the settings menu, locate and tap on security. Here, you'll find various security settings for your account. Look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Tap on Two-Factor Authentication to proceed. You will see a brief explanation of two-factor authentication. Tap on Enable to start the setup process. Choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication. You can select either SMS or an authentication app. If you choose SMS, enter your phone number and tap Send Code. Check your messages for the verification code. Input the code into the app and tap Verify. If using an authentication app, scan the QR code displayed. Enter the verification code from the app into Robinhood. Tap Verify to confirm the setup. Once verified, you'll see a confirmation message. Consider setting up backup codes for additional security. Write down backup codes and store them in a safe place. Your two-factor authentication is now successfully enabled. You can return to the security settings anytime to manage these options. Make sure to keep your authentication method updated if you change your phone number or device. Doing so will help protect your account from unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.